Hello everybody and welcome back to my channel. I've recently started couponing, so I'm going to make a quick little video on how I got these items at the dollar store. My son is going to help me with this video. Alright, that's him right there, my little helper. Alright, I'm going to start off with these pretzels. These Snyder's pretzels. Alright, so the coupon that I used for these pretzels are a $1 off of any one Snyder's pretzels. 8 ounces, making this completely free. It says 8 ounces or larger. So this one is 9.25 ounces. So it's perfectly fine to pair up with this coupon. Alright, the next thing I'm going to be showing you guys are these Lysol toilet bowl cleaners. In total, I have about 8 of them. So these Lysol toilet bowl cleaners are 8 fluid ounces, and the coupon that I have for these are save 1 off of any 2 Lysol all-purpose cleaners, bathroom cleaners, or toilet bowl cleaners. It doesn't specify the ounces, so anyone that I would have gotten, as long as it said Lysol on it, it would have went with this coupon. Because these are save $1 off of any 2, just for 2 of these Lysol toilet bowl cleaners, they were 50 cents a piece. Alright. The next item that I have is the fruit Gushers. It does say mini size, but the coupon that I have for this is save 50 cents on when you buy 2 boxes, any flavor. So it doesn't specify the size. It doesn't specify anything up here. You can pretty much grab any fruit snacks that you like that are listed up here. If I didn't tell you guys at the beginning, Dollar Tree's policy is that you can only use 4 of these same coupons per item. So I can't buy another 2 of these items and use 5 coupons. I can only use 4, but I can also use 4 of this and 4 of that. Okay? The next item that I have is this Old Orchid juice. It is 64 fluid ounces, and the coupon that I used for it is save $1 off of any 2 juice drinks. Okay. So I did buy 2. I used 1 coupon for this, making this 50 cents a piece. Alright, so the last I have are these Jimmy Dean's pancakes. The coupon that I have for this
Jimmy Dean's coupon.
Okay, save 75% when you buy any 1 Jimmy Dean frozen item, making these 25 cents a piece. So that means that I used 4 of these coupons. So the receipt for this, ignore the receipt for this, you guys. They were running out of paper. That's what the streaks are on this. So in total, all of these things cost $22. I saved $13 and paid $9.58 for all of these items. Alright, you guys, thank you for watching my video. I'm going to try to put up more videos like this as far as couponing.
Subscribe to the channel, and if you want to see more, put the like button up.